Good morning, students. Today we will read chapter number 12, Mullah Nasruddin stories. So, before reading this chapter, first let's see important words. Important words are dice. Dice means stage, okay? Audience means a group of listeners. Those who listens, okay, someone is giving speech and those who listens are called listener or audience. Turban means a cloth worn around the head, like Punjabi people wear and Muslim people also wear turban, and lots of people wear, okay, like Rajasthani people wear. And a banquet means a grand meal where lots of foods are available. Dignitaries means important people. Feast, a grand meal where lots of foods are available, lots of people are eating. A big party, you can say, big party. A host, a person who invites and takes care of guest. Ragged means old and torn. Trumpet, a musical instrument, it is a type of musical instrument. Cloak means a long coat. Revered means respected. Magnificent means beautiful, okay. And curious means eager to know, someone who wants to know more will be called curious. And magnificent means beautiful. Now let's see the chapter. Mullah Nasruddin was famous for his wisdom and great wit. There are many stories about him. Here are 3 stories you will enjoy reading. So Mullah Nasruddin was famous for his wisdom. Wisdom means knowledge and experience. Okay, knowledge and experience is called wisdom, and wit is called clever and funny. Okay, someone who is clever and funny also, some way funny also, is called wit. Now let's see first story. Once Mullah Nasruddin's speech. Okay, so this story is about speech. Mullah Nasruddin was asked to give a speech to a large gathering. So large of people were gathered. Okay, gathered means meet together. You can see lots of people have gathered, and Nasruddin was not very pleased with the idea. So he was not very happy with the idea because he was invited to give his speech and he was not willing to give his speech, but he agreed, say, okay, I will give his speech. When the day came, Nasruddin walked up to the dais and asked. So dais means this raised platform, you see, raised platform stage is called dais. Friends, do you know what I am going to speak about? So he asked them a question. Friends, do you know what I am going to speak about? The people had no idea about what he was going to speak. So they shook their head. Okay, they shook their head. They started shaking their head. And what's the use of talking to people who don't know what I'm going to talk about? So he said, what is the use of talking to people who don't know what I'm going to talk about? Nasruddin said and walked away. So, like this, he said and walked from there. So, because he was not interested in giving a speech. When the people requested him to continue, he returned and asked them the same question. But people again started requesting him when he was walking. People requested him. So he cannot say no to their request. So again he came and again asked the question. He said, do you know what I am going to speak about? Again same question. Now the audience wanted to appear wise. Now this time audience wanted to appear wise, clever. So they yelled, so they shouted, yes, we know what you are going to talk about. Nasruddin said, "What's the use of telling people something they already know?" So this time he said, "What's the use of telling people something they already know?" Okay. So saying he walked away again. The pupil begged. So pupil again requested. Begged means requested Nasruddin to give them one last chance and brought him back to make the speech. So he was again brought back. Nasruddin asked them the same question. Now the pupil tried to be clever. Half of them said yes and other half said no. That's good. Those of you who know what my speech is all about can tell the ones who don't know. So say he said, okay, those who knows what I am going to tell can tell other people. Okay, those who don't know, they can tell what I'm going to tell. So like that, he again gave excuse and walked away from the hall. So he excused the three times. First, if you don't know, then what's the meaning of talking? Then again, if you don't know, what's the meaning of talking? And if you know, then what's the meaning of talking? And again, if half of know and half of don't know, so you can tell other people like that. He said. Okay, second story. Mullah Nasruddin and his neighbor. Let's talk about his greedy neighbor. Stingy neighbor means someone who wants more and more. So one day Nasruddin wanted to cook something. Okay, he wanted to cook something. He wanted to make something. He needed a pot. Okay, this is called pot, bartan, where by which we make dishes. So he went to his neighbor and asked him for a pot. Okay, he promised to return it to the next day. The next day he went back to return the pot. So he went back to return the pot. The neighbor looked at his pot and found a smaller one inside it. He said, "There is another pot inside the one I gave you. Your pot has given birth to a new baby." So नसरुद्दीन ने जानबूझ के उस ग्रीडी नेबर को उसका उस ग्रीडी ओके उस ग्रीडी नेबर को जानबूझ के एक बर्तन दिए, ठीक है, और बोला कि ये बर्तन मैं इसलिए दे रहा हूँ क्योंकि जो तुमने बड़ा बर्तन मुझे दिया था उसने छोटे बर्तन को क्या दिया है, जन्म दिया है, इसलिए ले लो इसे। ठीक है, तो दे दिया इस तरीके से। आगे क्या होता है, द नसरुद्दीन वॉज क्वाइट प्लीज्ड द नेबर वॉज क्वाइट प्लीज्ड टू हियर दिस एंड एक्सेप्टेड द टू पॉट्स। ओके, तो वो तो ग्रीडी था, है ना, उसने ले लिया। द नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग द नसरुद्दीन वेंट टू हिज नेबर्स हाउस टू बोरो अ लार्जर पॉट। तो इस बार क्या हुआ, नसरुद्दीन और बड़ा बर्तन मांगने जाता है। जो अभी ये बड़ा बर्तन मंगा है ना, इससे और बड़ा बर्तन मंगेगा कुछ खाना बनाने के लिए। तो द नेबर वॉज टू ग्लैड टू लैंड हिम। सो नेबर ने उसे खुशी खुशी दे दिया क्योंकि वो क्या था, एक ग्रीडी था। ग्रीडी को हिंदी में क्या बोलेंगे, देख ओके, लालची। ओके, सो वो एक लालची इंसान था, ग्रीडी था। उसने दे दिया, फिर बड़ा पॉट दे दिया जो उससे दिया था। नेक्स्ट क्या होता है, अ वीक्स पास्ड। ओके, 1 week has passed but Nasruddin did not go back to return the pot. So Nasruddin has not given his pot. Okay, one evening the neighbor bumped into Nasruddin at the market. Okay, so neighbor approached, came nearer to Nasruddin and asked, "Where is my pot?" "It's dead." Nasruddin said, "It's dead." So how is that possible? Okay, वो कंफ्यूज हो गया, बोले ये कैसे पॉसिबल है, डेट कैसे हो गया। सो नजरुद्दीन सेड, व्हेन आई सेड दैट योर पॉट हैड गिवन बर्थ टू अ बेबी पॉट यू बिलीव्ड इट। जब मैंने कहा कि तुम्हारे पॉट ने बेबी पॉट को जन्म दिया है तो तुमने बिलीव कर लिया। अगर उसको बिलीव कर सकते हो, अगर वो पॉसिबल हो सकता है तो ये भी पॉसिबल हो सकता है। इफ़ दैट इज़ पॉसिबल देन दिस इज़ आल्सो पॉसिबल। सो उसने जानबूझ के पहले छोटा बर्तन मंगा और उसके अंदर एक और छोटा बर्तन डाल के दिया और कहा कि पॉट ने बेबी को जन्म दिया है। और फिर उसने बड़ा बर्तन मांगा और उसे रिटर्न नहीं किया। क्यों रिटर्न नहीं किया? क्योंकि वो उस लालची नेबर को, उस ग्रीडी नेबर को वो लेसन सिखाना चाहता था। ओके, नेक्स्ट। ओके, दैट वाज क्वाइट क्लेवर। ओके, वेरी वाइस। नेक्स्ट, थर्ड स्टोरी, मुल्ला नसरुद्दीन एंड द एट द बैंक्वेट। सो पार्टी, banquet means large party. Okay, Mullah Nasruddin heard that there was a banquet being held in the nearby town. So एक टाउन में एक जगह पार्टी था। उस पार्टी वाले ने पूरे टाउन को बुलाया हुआ था। ओके, एवरी वन वॉज इन्वाइटेड फॉर द ग्रैंड फीस्ट। खाने के लिए सबको बुलाया गया था, फीस्ट। नसरुद्दीन मेड हिज वे देयर एज क्विकली एज पॉसिबल। वो अपना काम करता है पहले, ठीक है, अपना अपना काम, वो फार्म में काम करता है, खेत में। सो खेत में काम करने के बाद वो तुरंत कहाँ चले जाता है? पार्टी में चले जाता है, क्योंकि टाइम नहीं रहता उसके पास। वैन द होस्ट सॉ हिम इन हिज रैगेड क्लॉक। जब होस्ट ने उसको देखा, उसका जो क्लॉक था फटा पुराना था। रैगेड मीन्स टॉर्न, टॉर्न मीन्स फटा पुराना। ही सीटेड हिम इन अ कॉर्नर। उसने उसको कॉर्नर में बिठा दिया। फार फ्रॉम ग्रेट टेबल वेयर द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट पीपल वर सीटेड। तो उसने उसको पूरे अलग कोने में बिठा दिया गया, क्योंकि उसके कपड़े क्या थे? सब फटे थे और वो गंदे भी थे, मैले भी थे, रैगेड थे, क्योंकि वो काम से आया था। नसरुद्दीन गॉट अप एंड वेंट होम। सो he was not pleased, he was not happy, and he went home. He dressed himself in a magnificent clock. Magnificent means very very beautiful clock. You can see they are wearing clock. Okay, they are in clock. This is called clock. And turban, and returned to a feast. This is called turban. Okay, see, they are wearing on their head. As soon as he arrived there, the host saw him. Okay, एंड गेव हिम अ ग्रैंड वेलकम। सो उसके और बहुत अच्छे से स्वागत हुआ, ग्रैंड वेलकम। अमिज द बीटिंग ऑफ ड्रम्स एंड ट्रम्पेट्स। उसका उसके लिए ट्रम्पेट बजाए गए। ओके, म्यूजिक बजाए गए, ड्रम्स बजाए गए। वैन द होस्ट लेड नसरुद्दीन टू अ प्लेस नेक्स्ट टू द डिग्निटरीज। तो नसरुद्दीन को मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट पीपल के साथ बैठाया गया, नेक्स्ट टू। ओके, बाई हमने पढ़ा है, क्या बोलते हैं प्रीपोजिशन में, मतलब बगल में बैठाया गया, नेक्स्ट टू। अ डिश ऑफ वंडरफुल फूड वॉज इमीडिएटली प्लेस्ड बिफोर हिम। वंडरफुल फूड वेर प्लेस्ड बिफोर हिम, मैग्निफिसेंट फूड। विदाउट अ पॉज, विदाउट वेटिंग, नसरुद्दीन बिगेन टू रब हैंडफुल ऑफ फूड्स इनटू हिज क्लोक एंड टर्बन। वो अपने क्लोक और टर्बन को खाना खिलाने लग गया, मतलब फूड को कैसे खिलाएगा, फूड को रब करने लग गया अपने टर्बन में, अपने कपड़े में। द होस्ट एंड सम ऑफ द इम्पॉर्टेंट पीपल नोटिस दिस। सो पीपल स्टार्टेड नोटिसिंग दिस। द होस्ट सेड, ओ रेवर्ड सर, ओ ग्रेट सर, ओ रिस्पेक्टेड सर। ओ रेवर्ड मीन्स रिस्पेक्टेड सर। वी आर क्यूरियस टू नो अबाउट योर ईटिंग हैबिट्स। सो वी वांट टू नो अबाउट हैबिट्स, व्हाई यू आर डूइंग दिस। So Nasruddin said, nothing special. It is my dress that got me here, and also and also helped me to get the food. Surely my dress deserves some portion of the food. So he was just making fun. Okay, we know why he was rubbing, but they don't know. Okay, so they were quite curious. Let's again see the meaning of these words. Dice means stage, raised platform. Audience means a group of listeners. Turban means a cloth worn around the head. Banquet means a grand meal. Dignitaries मतलब important people. Feast means a grand meal. Host means a person who invites. Okay. Ragged means old and torn. Trumpet means a type of musical instrument. Clock means a long coat. Revered means respected. Magnificent means beautiful. And curious means someone who wants to know more. So students, this true or false is your homework. I hope you will be able to solve now because you have read this story. Choose the correct answer. You will be able to solve after reading this story. Please read this story one more time. I have provided you answer of these questions. And missing letters, this is your homework. And this also I have provided you answers. Okay, what are preposition phrases? Preposition phrases are fixed prepositions. So speak about का क्या मतलब होता है? What are you going to speak about? Speak about means what, in which topic you are saying, will you say. Who are you talking to? Talking to means, where is it? Talk to means when you, whom you are talking to means किससे बात कर रहे हो. What are you searching for? सर्च में for आता है, क्या चीज़ के लिए सर्च कर रहे हो. What did you ask for? Ask for means ask, simple ask. Okay, what is going on? With going we use on. Going on means क्या चल रहा है. Child playing with, play with. Looking at. Book, what is the book about? Okay, what is something about means what it is. Indirect and direct speech. What is your name? The teacher asked me. So please read this, you will be able to understand. Here it is written what is direct speech and indirect speech. One example is also given, so I have provided you answers. Okay, please read this, you will be able to understand. Now pronunciation. Okay, now we have to say which one of them is pronounced differently. क्लॉक, क्लॉथ्स, क्लॉथ एंड क्लोन. अब देखोगे सब जो है आँख से, क्लॉक से क्लॉथ, सब क्लो साउंड है. देखो सब में क्लोथ, क्लोथ, क्लोक, क्लोन. लेकिन यहाँ पे क्लॉथ है, क्लॉथ, क्लॉथ. ओके, देन होस्ट, पोस्ट, घोस्ट. लेकिन यहाँ पे पढ़ते कॉस्ट, इसमें क आ जाता है, लेकिन बाकी में हो, पो, घो. ओके, नेक्स्ट स्पीक, प्लीज्ड, फिस्ट. लेकिन इसमें आ जाता है डेड. डेड में ए आ रहा है, लेकिन बाकी में फी, प्ली, स्पी ऐसा आ रहा है. ब्लेड, ले आ रहा है इसमें, ले. बाकी में सैड, बाकी में ए आ रहा है. सैड, ग्लैड, मैड, मैड, ग्लैड, सैड. एड आ रहा है सब में, इसमें एड आ रहा है. तो नाउ यू कैन सी स्टूडेंट्स, प्रोनाउंसिएशन इज डिफरेंट इन ब्लेड, डेड, कॉस्ट एंड क्लॉथ. ओके, क्लॉथ. Then model auxiliary, how will you ask question? Like how will you request someone? So it is cold outside, what you will say? Will you please close the window? Like that you will say. I have provided you answers. So see you students next time. This is, you can see, you are thirsty, what you will say? Can I have a glass of water please? You have forgotten to get a pen, what you will say? Would you mind lending a pen? Okay, here options are given 1 2 3 4. From these options you have to choose. So okay students, see you in next video. Bye. If you have watched this video completely, then thank you very much, and comment your name in chat box, means comment box in YouTube.